Hello, we are Team Bulgaria and we are going to demonstrate how to make what we call in Bulgaria banitsa. It is a traditional Bulgarian pastry made of white cheese and eggs. It is structured in a way where you have different layers, and in each layer you have white cheese spread evenly like this, and to actually form the different layers, once you spread the white cheese evenly, we use these sheets which we just buy at the store. You can make them, but it is a lot more convenient to just buy them at the store. And once you are finished with the white cheese, it has to be spread evenly. Once you're finished with the white cheese, you can actually apply another layer. And now my assistant here will demonstrate how you put the different layers on top of each other. And now that you have another layer, you repeat the process and you spread white cheese evenly once again until you have about 10 or 20 layers, and this will actually form the banitsa. You can even use other fillings to make it. You can use pumpkins or even spinach. We decided to use white cheese since it's our favorite flavor, but you can really be creative and use whatever you want for as the filling.